Look at Beanie. Oh, he looks so cute today. Look at his head. I can see a little pink. Yeah. Yeah, look at how cute you are. And we got a good close-up, too. Hello, all my YouTube subscribers. See his pink head through his feathers. We love you all, and sorry we took so long to get here again. Look at there, he's preening. Hello, and we hope you're all doing well and getting better and not getting sick. And we love all of our subscribers. Oh, look at how pretty he is when he preens. Yeah. Pretty Beanie preening. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We love you.